What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about Acorn Early. It's the investment portion that Acorn just launched like a few days ago. And so I haven't got a chance to take a look at it. So I said, hey, why not? Why don't we take a look together? So I hope you guys have been having a good one, and let's get into the app and see what it's all about.
All right, guys, here we are on the Acorn app. And yes, I have the app. I don't necessarily use the app. However, I do have money that has accumulated within this app from, referrals. Because with Acorn, if you refer someone, they get $5, you get $5. Sometimes they do other little promos where it's like, you refer someone, you get $20, they get $20, whatever. So I have accumulated some money within this app, and I just put it into a portfolio and let it do whatever it does. So pretty cool app. I have done some reviews on it. I think it's really good. It's also a good option for people that may be looking to invest and not necessarily do a whole lot of different, stock choices or trying to find the right stock, but you can invest in funds based off of, whether you're trying to invest aggressively, conservatively, like, in the middle, or trying to invest a little. Keep it real simple, real plain. So it has options for all that. So like I said, this is my first time seeing what they have to offer. So it says, explore Acorns early. Let's see what's happening. So let's explore. So we're on the screen. It says invest early for their future. You guys can read that. So if you upgrade to the family tier plan, it's $5 a month. So I think that's pretty cool. So now, yes, with Acorns, you do have, a fee that you pay each month. So like for the account that I have, I think I pay like $1 a month or something like that. I think it's $1 a month. So, but yes, so for me, I think, if you're really looking to keep something simple and you want to set up something, $5 a month isn't necessarily that bad. So, but they do have a fee. And so you can open up an early account in under 3 minutes, no added cost per child. So basically you would have like on a family account where you would have Acorn early, invest later, and spend. But let's take a look at the tour. Let's take a tour and see what they're talking about. So invest for their future. In under 3 minutes, which we already read, cool. So you can swipe a boost from birth. Early accounts can be opened as soon as a child is born. Basically, what they're saying is when a child is born, they have a social security number. So you can open up an account for them, because I've done that for every single child that we have. And every time they were born, I opened up an account for them. The nuts and bolts. Early is separate from your investment account, and the money can be used for college, but it doesn't have to be. It's pretty cool. I like that because not every child will go to college. So that's pretty dope. So I'm guessing that's the tour. It says get started. So to get started, you have to upgrade. So tap below to confirm your upgrade to Acorns family featuring Acorns early. Let's go ahead and upgrade. So basically, once you get here, what's going to happen is you're going to fill out your kids' information, so forth and so forth. So looks pretty cool, pretty simple. So that's pretty much what it is. You get to invest in your kids.
All right, so I thought there would be more to the tour for the Acorns early, but there's really not much to it. So I would assume that things are pretty much the same as, their normal app is, which I'll definitely take a look more into it and set it up and things like that. I think it's pretty cool to have. You can never invest too much into your kids. You know what I'm saying? Like giving them that foundation is very important. But some of the features that they do offer, Acorn, they offer where you can do this thing called Roundup, which is basically like when you swipe your card, they'll round it up to the nearest dollar and they'll take the change and they'll invest that change within your Acorns app. Also, you have things where you can have automatic investments. You can also have where you shop and you get, cash back. So it's kind of like cash back for investing. So they'll have like a list of different things in there, like if you need to order Uber or if you're going through Amazon or whatever, they have a long list of things in places you can order, and they call it like found money. And so if you were to use those things through the app, then you would get that percentage or that dollar amount that would be invested into your account. So I think that's pretty cool, and I think that's good. I think it's also possibly a good place to, start investing, with your kids. Like I said, their portfolios are set up that you don't buy individual stocks. So for those that are concerned about having to buy individual stocks and keep up with things like that, funds, ETFs, things like that are always a good way to go. So now with Acorn, I did do a review on each fund that they have. I can link that in the description, or if I remember to put it up there with a little card to come across the screen that you can click into, and you can actually see what each portfolio is and how it's broken down. But within each portfolio, there are individual stocks, funds, bonds, all types of investments that make it simple for you. So all you have to do is choose if you want to be aggressive or you don't, or somewhat aggressive or moderate, whatever. And then just let your money go into those accounts and it will invest for you. And you're able to see, or if you go on a website, you're able to see where your money is actually going to and what it's invested in and the percentage and the breakdown and things like that. So how do I feel about Acorns early? I think it's good. Like I've said previously, I think it's something that's worth taking a look at. The only catch is, yes, there is a fee that you pay per month, because you can only get it with the family plan, which is $5 a month, which it includes, different other things included within that, not just your individual account, but also other things like they have a later feature that they have as well. So $5 a month. Now, depending on whatever your budget is and depending on, whatever you're trying to invest, then you can look at things like that. But if you have like 3 kids, like me and my wife do, and you pay $5 a month, you can have 3 portfolios with no extra cost, and you can put however much money you want to put in there every single month. So speaking of kids, it is in the morning, and if you can hear that, then you hear that my youngest one is up, and I don't know what he's talking about. He's just talking and rambling. He just wakes up hype. My youngest one wakes up hype, and so how fitting that we're talking about Acorns early, and he wakes up early in the morning. And he's seemingly like he's about to turn up. He's just talking. Anyways, guys, y'all feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.